I hired ChatGPT4 to automate my business, and this happened. I currently run a business, and it's currently a social media based company. It's a media company around baseball and currently high school baseball. So, the guys that don't know what ChatGPT4 is, or even ChatGPT is, it is currently an AI that's pretty much like Google but on steroids. A lot of people have been using this to make a lot of money online and to automate all their systems in place for businesses. So I thought, why not try it for my business? My main driver for revenue is definitely content and videos through YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So I'm going to really try and get ChatGPT to automate my email list because I have about 1,500 subscribers on my email list to really write up an email. So I told ChatGPT4 to really say, hey, so I have a product and around high school baseball helping pitchers throw harder. So I said, hey, send me a convincing email to, send to these players. So I did. The results were honestly kind of shocking, but kind of not. So with that, I'm going to show you the results at the end of the video. But before I get into this, ChatGPT4 and ChatGPT in general isn't a way to get rich quick, I don't think, because, you got to still have a human doing it. I don't think we're there at that point yet where you can automate everything through ChatGPT, but we're definitely getting there. And I think there'll have to be a high price for that when that does happen. But I don't think that place is right now. But I think you definitely automate some systems in place for your business to really scale it up. So what I did with ChatGPT4, I literally just said, hey, write me a newsletter or email to all these guys on Shopify that I have on my business for the product. So I did. And the results were kind of, not that good. So what happened was I sent the email. And then really I got my click-through rate was about the same. It was a 1% click-through rate or CTR. And then literally, the title, the subject of the email was all ChatGPT. Everything was ChatGPT. So, I think right now ChatGPT4 isn't at the place where you can make a lot of money yet. But I think definitely there is some cool stuff I saw in the email that I was like, wow, never thought of that before. So definitely, if you guys want to automate some stuff on your business, I think it's definitely possible. But I don't think it's something where you can make, a lot of money. I think definitely the bigger business. My business is a small business. So, I think like bigger businesses have bigger opportunities, but I'm a smaller business. So I think with other businesses, you can definitely, if you have a bigger business or even a smaller business, maybe it'll work better. It'll work better for you guys. So yeah. All right, guys. Well, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and, hit the like button, comment below for more video ideas. I'm going to be posting a lot more on this channel. So yeah, subscribe.